The one Git command everyone should master is Git Rebase Interactive. Git Rebase. It allows you to change the base commit of your branch. The special thing about Git Rebase Interactive that it allows you to do more commands while doing the rebase. In this video, I'm going to go over all the important commands that can be used in the interactive rebase to-do file. Our setup will be 5 commits: A, B, C, D, and E. While each commit adds a text file with a name corresponding to the commit name. The P command lets you use a commit, mainly used for moving the location of your commit in the branch tree. The drop command is making it more comfortable to remove a commit. Instead of removing the whole line, all you have to do is just type D or drop instead of pick. The reward command lets you edit a commit message. It's mainly used in case you forgot to add something or maybe mistype the message of your commit. The edit command lets you stop in a specific commit for amending, which basically means that you can do all the things you could do in a regular commit, from changing the files included in the commit to their content. Also, you can use this keyword to add the commit message just like in the reward command. The squash command lets you take a commit, meld it into the previous one, and then change the message of the new commit that combines them both. It's mostly used to combine several commits into a single one more meaningful. For example, combine all the commits of a feature branch to make a more concise commit with a more meaningful message. The fixup command. It's just like the squash command, but it doesn't let you change the commit message of the combined commit. Instead, it just uses the commit message of the first commit in the group of the commits combined. The exec command allows you to execute custom shell commands during the rebase process. It can be useful for performing additional actions such as running scripts, applying patches, or making changes that go beyond the standard rebase operations. The break command allows you to stop in between commits. Then you can continue the rebase when you feel like it using the git rebase continue command. It's mostly used in case you want to add commits in between other commits. Alright, I hope you found this video interesting. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more guides related to web development, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!